So today we will be talking about Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Enterprises under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. This scheme will bring apart the affordable credit to help the small entrepreneurs, especially from the rural areas. It will be benefiting around 2 lakh micro food processing enterprises. This scheme specifically aims to reduce the food wastage, increase farmers' income, push investments in the food processing sector, and also create employment opportunity. Why PM-FME scheme? It is to enable small entrepreneurs scale up their business in the line with the Vocal for Local initiative. The rural people are facing various challenges such as lack of access to institutional credit to modern technology, they do not have requisite marketing and branding skills, and lack of awareness. That is why they are bringing up this scheme so that they can address these small issues and challenges that they are facing. So, what are the benefits of this 10,000 crore scheme? It will generate an investment of rupees 35,000 crores. It will be implemented for 5 years until 2024-25. Under this scheme, the micro enterprises will get 35% subsidy on the project cost with a ceiling of rupees 10 lakh. The beneficiaries will have to contribute only an amount of 10% of the total project cost, and the rest of the balance will be coming from the loans. More details includes that the state government and central government will have a ratio of 60-40, and ministry will provide 50% subsidy for transportation of eligible surplus production, that may be for perishable crops or non-perishable crops also. Focused on one district, one product approach that will be selected by the state government. Also, an important end from this is ministry will be starting 41 free e-learning certification courses for SC and ST entrepreneurs in the food processing sectors. What more, the Operation Green scheme has been extended. From now onward, tomato, onion and potato crops to other notified horticultural crops for providing subsidy to their transportation and storage from surplus production area to major consumption centers. This will not only prevent post-harvest losses but will also prevent the farmer from selling from distress selling. ये जो स्कीम्स हम आपके लिए रेगुलरली अपडेट करते रहते हैं, रूरल डेवलपमेंट के बारे में हम बताते रहते हैं, इन सब स्कीम्स को अगर आप यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पा रहे तब ये सब देखने की कोशिश कीजिए. आप जितना भी हो सके इसको शेयर कीजिए, अपने गांव के क्षेत्रों के भाई बहनों के लिए शेयर कीजिए. कम से कम उन लोगों को बताइए ये आप क्या जानते हैं. ये सब वीडियोस देखिए. आप लोग एंटरटेनमेंट वीडियोस तो आप लोग देखते ही रहते हैं. इन स्मॉल थिंग्स जो आपके आसपास को थोड़ा बहुत बदल सकते हो, उन सब चीज़ों को आप अपने गांव के भाई बहनों के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो लोगों को भी कुछ तरक्की मिले, इन सब स्कीम के लाभ उठा पाए. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल शोमेश.